Hello, good morning. We are looking at Bitcoin charts, and this is the trend line from November 2022, and it held in November. It held in January. So basically, what we are seeing on Bitcoin is this: with a head shoulder pattern, and this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So this the neckline. At this junction, this is the neckline. This neckline has been holding there's this 25k resistance here in 2022. Also in February of 2023, it was a resistance. But now it has become support. It was support in June, and now it's forming another support in August. So for me, basically, I don't think anything has changed with Bitcoin, because what we are seeing here is that Bitcoin is that is holding a support on the neckline of 25k, and this is a head shoulder pattern. So this is the neckline. So you're just holding a support at the neckline. So I don't think anything has changed. If this support holds and move back up, then we know that Bitcoin is on a bull trend. But if it doesn't hold, that's when we'll become bearish. But the way we are looking at this chart, I think it's still bullish, because nothing has changed yet. Because this is a double bottom. This one bottom, this another bottom. This one bottom here, and this another bottom. So probably we'll see Bitcoin bounce here back to 27k, and even 30k. That's what we're expecting. So because the way Bitcoin fell, if you look at the daily time frame, Bitcoin, the RSI is showing that Bitcoin is so weak. So we need a bounce up. And this is double bottom. This is a double bottom. First bottom, second bottom. And let's look at Bitcoin charts for trading view. This Bitcoin chart, trading view, still the same thing. What we're seeing here hasn't changed anything. It's still it's still this is still the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder, and this is the neckline. This is the neckline here, this line, this green line here. So this is the first bottom, this is the second bottom. And again, it coincides with last year crash, which held in May last year, May 2022. This was from its all-time high from March to May. So I think this is a very strong support and resistance. And what we saw from here was it went straight back up to 48k. So looking at past performance at this level, if this level should hold, I think we'll be headed back to 30 and even 40 something thousand. So this for Bitcoin. And let's look at USDT. Because we have to check the panic of USDT, how it was in the market. That's people holding Bitcoin, and that's people dumping Bitcoin for USDT. So when we look at that correlation, you know that okay, Bitcoin is at its lowest low, or it at its highest high, where is either you are buying or you are selling. So we're looking at USDT. We need to look at the chart to know what the chart is telling us, not what the news is telling us. Because Everybody is trading the chart, not the news. So you look at USDT at this zone. Look at USDT at this zone because of the crash. See how it spiked from here, spiked up here because of the crash. That's the Bitcoin crash that happened. That's crashed to 25k, holding the neckline. And this place is a strong resistance. If you see from here, here, and even here. So and USDT is way overbought. It's way overbought. Because look at this high here. Look at this high which was in December last year. So I think we'll be having a correction in USDT where USDT will be selling downwards. I don't think at this level it will keep going up now to start retracing a step backward. So that's what we're seeing on this chart. So that's why we're calling that if, and you see here also this almost like a double top. See here top one, top two, because it happened here. This top one, this top two. So probably we'll see a very big decline in USDT, number of people holding USDT, because when people are holding USDT, it shows that there's panic. But when people are holding Bitcoin, it shows people are optimistic that the future has better things to bring or higher prices to bring for Bitcoin. So go back to our chart. So that's what we're looking at. So for me, nothing has changed yet. It's just that there's just a double bottom here. It's just a double bottom here. It's just a double bottom here. And that's what we're looking at. So we'll keep looking at it. If it holds, then we'll know Bitcoin is going to 38k and even 48k. So we'll look at the daily. RSI has fall to 17 to 18%. 18%. That's very low. 18.5857%. So we're looking at Bitcoin critically. Once this support zone holds, Bitcoin is headed for higher prices. So thank you for watching.